Hi, welcome back to Fake It To Make It, or hi if you're new. I'm Katie. Today we have some sticker books to look through. These were gifted to me by Kell of a Plan. I am one of her affiliates. As always, there'll be an affiliate link down below if you choose to shop this release. And it seems crazy, but we're looking at fall. We're to the fall products, which I love fall. Am I ready for it? I don't know. The summer has gone by so quick. I always love fall. It's my, move that out of the way. We're just going to move that completely out of the way because I feel like that's going to get caught up on here. Sorry, I was trying to make it a little better. So we have 4 new sticker books to look at today. We have I Love Fall, Fall Pumpkins and Florals, Happy Thanksgiving, and Plaid and Florals. I was going to say, I feel like the summer is going by so quickly. I was just talking to a friend of mine. Let me bring you down a little bit. That I'm going on vacation, and when I come back, it's going to be August. And I feel like August is going to go by so quick. We have like birthdays and anniversaries and all sorts of things, and it is just, yeah, it's just going to go by so quickly. Anyway, I'm sorry. Let's get into it. Plaids and Florals, 827 stickers for your planning needs. You know, Heather is all about her florals. And I do, ooh, these are cute. Oh, they're like different little shapes. It's not washi. So like this is looks like a little, like a ripped piece of washi. Oh, anyway, I feel like I need my little tweezers over here. You can kind of see that. And then like this one is white in the middle, and then has like a border. These are some thin little washi strips. So I did not put that on back on very good, did I? I love with her stuff that you get deco pages and then you get the functional boxes, and I loved those plaid. That was great. I love plaid, so I'm very happy. Look at how fun these boxes are. This will be really fun to use. So you'll have to let me know. Question number 1, are you team I'm ready for fall, or no, I need more summer, please? I feel like if you were maybe somewhere like down south where it's ridiculously hot, you're probably like, yes, fall, please. Because you guys have had like summer for a while. Here in Michigan, I mean, we've had some like record highs. It's been like in the 90s, real feel like in the low 100s. So we've had some hot weather. We've had some cooler days too. I think today it's like in the 70s. So we've had a mix of both, but I'm not quite ready for fall yet. I'm ready to see the fall things. That's totally fine. But weather-wise, I want more time in my pool. So that's where I'm at. I actually turned the heater on my pool today. It hasn't been on in a while because I think I'm going to go for a little swim when I am when I'm done with this. Oh, that one started to peel up a little. I love this. It's so cute. And some functional stickers. So that is Plaid and Florals. Next, let's do, which one? I have them behind me. I just grabbed one. Happy Thanksgiving. 880 stickers. And I usually flip through these fairly quickly. I think most people say that they like that. They don't like when someone reads every single thing. So if you feel differently, let me know. Sometimes I'll read a couple things. So these are like groceries, pick up turkey, cooking plan, thaw turkey. We have Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving, volunteer, Thanksgiving parade, turkey trot. We have some flight info, which this is perfect for anytime you're traveling, not just Thanksgiving, but I know Thanksgiving is also, I think they say the biggest travel holiday of the year. So then we'll get some functional, which I like. Cute. You always get a couple pages. Guest list, grocery list, cooking plan. Sorry, I think my hands are dry. I'm having a harder time pulling this apart. This looks like some little Black Friday, Cyber Monday shopping. Some Amazon boxes. We Okay. Sorry, I was just checking. I feel sometimes I tend to want to pull things closer to me, and then it gets it out of the frame for you guys. So I'm trying hard today not to do that. Oh, cute Thanksgiving parade stickers. They look like, and then we got some functional. Got some little kids in some football jerseys. So I know a lot of people watch the football games. Some functional stickers. Trot squad. And we have some burning thighs before pie. Some turkey trot. Are there any runners here? My daughter wanted to do that. I wonder if we'll do that. I'm not a runner. Okay, I don't think I'm in any physical shape to run, but I would walk it. I told her if you could walk the turkey trot, she can run and I'll walk. I really like these. Those are cute. These like watercolor style, very pretty. And I like that colorway. My hands are so, I put lotion on too before I started this, but we have some like Thanksgiving table kind of stickers, and then more functional. That was the Thanksgiving. And then next we have the Fall Pumpkins and Florals Volume 2. Let me get that open. Ooh, pretty. Some pink and white pumpkins. These kind of remind me of Cinderella, even though Cinderella is technically blue. Her dress is blue. I think just like the florals and the white pumpkins and like that girly. Some cute fall pumpkins and sunflowers, and that's on a clear background. Some functional boxes to match. I feel like, there we go. I'm sorry, these are, it's my hand. The pages aren't even like stuck together. It's just, I think my hands are so dry. I think I wash my hands like 20 times a day at least. Honestly, probably more than that, if I'm being honest. It is more than that. I don't know why I just said that. It for sure is. So I wash my hands like twice with every patient I see at least. And then at home, so my hands get dry. These are pretty too. With like the purple, and they have like little stars there. That's cute. I like that colorway. And the functional boxes are really pretty. Cute. A little more fall vibe. Sorry, I'm trying to hold that down so you guys can see. And some functional stickers. And we have some kind of like purple and peachy florals there with the white pumpkins. And then we get our functional boxes. This is really pretty. I like that colorway. Very, very autumn. That's really pretty. Oh, I like those too. Cute. We got some more fall foliage with some pumpkins. Cute. That one's really cute. Fall pumpkins and florals. And then, last but not least, we have I Love Fall Volume 2. This is 1,375 stickers for your planner. So we have some sunflowers. Cute, some like cozy fall deco. Very like Thanksgiving, cornucopia. Cute, some deco boxes and functional boxes. Oh, I really like these. This colorway with this like hot pink. Oh, that's really pretty. That is so pretty. We got some more like kind of cozy fall. I feel like everything in here is just like cozy fall vibes, which I really like. I'm also sorry if you can hear this engine revving outside. Oh, this is my son. He is working on he bought this Bronco. He flew to California a couple of years ago and bought this old Bronco that he's fixing up. Well, you can hear it's running, so I mean, yay him. Oh, this is really cute. Except he's working on it, on something on the engine, or doing the heads and he's revving it out there, which is, you know, a little slightly annoying when I'm trying to do this, but we all have things to do, so I'm sorry. Hopefully you guys can barely hear it. I'm hoping, because like I said, I'm getting ready to go away, and this releases this week, and I just have not had time to film. We have been really busy. It was my daughter's 21st birthday. Oh, those are kind of fun. Those are, oh, I was gonna say, those seem Halloween-y to me. Cute. I got some Halloween stickers. Yeah, it was my daughter's 21st birthday last week, so like we had a little birthday dinner for her, and then we went out Friday. And then this week we went and had dinner with my mother-in-law. And so, oh, you can color these in yourself for your team. That's kind of cool. So if you're somebody who like can never find your team's colors and you're a football fan, that's really cool. Anyway, yeah, so just been like very busy, and then like trying to get caught up with work because I know I'm going on vacation. So today was the day that I had time to film this, so I apologize. So hopefully he's not repping it anymore, which is good. Oh, the story of my life. One of the videos I was filming. Oh, these are cute. Oh, I kind of like these ladies. I like this style. That's cute. And the bat. Stop. That's cute. I really like these. Oh, we saw this, a turkey like this in the Thanksgiving book. I really like those. But a video I was trying to film this weekend, my husband was like literally like mowing in front of the window, which I understand it has to be done, but I was like, you know I was filming, sir. Oh, the boys and their toys. What am I gonna do? This is cute. I really like this book. I feel like this has a good amount of multiple things. It has fall, it has Halloween, it has some Thanksgiving, it has like some fun florals in it, and like some other, oh, the little Highland cow. Oh my goodness, so cute. Oh my gosh, could you imagine if you took your kids to like a little pumpkin patch, or like, you know, sometimes, I don't know where, I guess it depends where you are, but here in Michigan there's a lot of like apple picking, pumpkin farms, apple orchards. Like, it's very much a big deal here. You pick berries. There's all sorts of like farm stands and things. And so a lot of like the apple orchards in the fall too will have like a little petting zoo, or, you know, so I feel like that would be really cute if you have young kids or grandkids and you do something like that. What if that would be like a cute little page, wouldn't it? So cute. And that is I Love Fall Volume 2. So you'll have to let me know of the 4. So Plaid and Florals, I Love Fall, Fall Pumpkins and Florals, and Thanksgiving. Which was your favorite? I think I like them all. If I had to pick one, I feel like it would maybe be this. Just because there's such a good mix. This fall... Oh, I don't know. The Fall Pumpkins and Florals is really good. And I love that there's plaid in this. I'm not going to lie. I don't know. This is a good release. This is a good release. So you guys will have to let me know what you think about these. If you choose to shop, this does release this Friday, which will be July 24th at 10 a.m. Central Time. As always, there's an affiliate link down below. And I hope you guys are having a great week, planning your best life. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.